Hello, this is Rich, and in this section, you're going to learn how to create your very own C++ entity from scratch. In particular, you're going to learn how to create a proximity mine that will explode when any other entity gets within a certain radius. So let's get started. First, let's open up the CryEngine Games project. Then, we need to create a brand new CPP file, followed with a .h, to create the entity. So, we'll pick a folder here. We'll go to Game Files, and we'll create one in here. We'll call it Packed. And we'll create our new class, so Add, New Class, and click on Add. Beautiful. So, we're going to name it C Proximity Mine. Now, it is important that your entity class starts with a C, as it is needed, CryEngine. And we'll proceed our file names with C as well. And the only class we need to derive from is a template class called C Game Object Extension Helper. So we'll derive from C Game Object Extension Helper. It takes two parameters. One is our class, so C Proximity Mine, and then the iGame Object Extension. iGame Object Extension. And we'll go ahead and create a virtual destructor and finish. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and shorten this include here. Nice. So we've now derived from the appropriate class. Now let me explain the CGame Object Extension Helper a little bit and why we have the template parameters. Technically, you could just derive from the iGame Object Extension, but every entity does need networking ability. In order to do that, we derive from the CGame Object Extension Helper, and what it will do is we'll tell it that our C Proximity Mine first parameter is going to derive from the iGame Object Extension class, but the CGame Object Extension Helper is going to add in an extra class in between our C Proximity Mine and the Game Object Extension. It's going to put in a C Game Object Extension Helper, which will give us some RMI networking functionality. That's all it does. It gives us extra functions by putting a class in between ours and Game Object Extension. So here's what we're going to do. The next step, we need to go to the iGame Object Extension class by right-clicking, go to Definition, and we need to grab all of the pure virtuals, everything. And we'll just go all the way down, keep going, until we go here. Beautiful. Go ahead and copy. And let's add them to our class. iGame Object Extension. Them here. Beautiful. That's all we need to do. In the next task, you're going to learn what each of these functions do. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy.